You know what's the difference today? Instead of we be near to those who are near, we are far from those who are near. We are what? In Arabic we say ba'id. Ba'id min al-qarib. We are far from those who are supposed to be near. Maybe that's why a lot of people go and live in isolation. And I have to use Brother Azad's place. What's it called? Pembroke Pines, what? Yeah, we all shoot. You ask everybody nowadays, they want to go isolate themselves. They want to live by themselves. They want to live far, ba'id, far from their relatives, far from their family members. Now listen. I don't want you guys to feel offended because it's almost everybody live like that. You understand, Brother Salvador? But don't say it. Don't commit sin by your tongue. Don't make the wrong intention. Say you want to live comfortable. Say you want to live in a nice locality. Say you want to live in a secured, what do you call it? Community, right, Brother Azad? This community? Yeah. I have to use you because, you're the first person sitting in the front here. Say you want to live in a secured community. Say you want to live in a nice community. But don't say you want to live away from people. You're really making a wrong statement. You're saying you want to live ba'id min al-qarib. You want to live far from the people Allah says you should be near to. But you answer to Allah if that's your intention. Right, Brother Shami? I know you also. Now, you don't live in a... Okay. I like to pick on our boys here, you know what I mean? These are our boys here. Don't say it. Make the halal intention. Yeah, you could go live by yourself. And nothing is wrong, geographically speaking, if we have to go and live in different areas and places. So don't say, I'm telling you, don't say Shaikh Shafayat said don't live in communities and close communities and gated communities. I'm not saying that. I'm saying don't make the intention that your reason for living there is to be away from your relatives and family. Because Islam, the Quran, right, Maulana Rifat Saib? You need to tell the Maulanas that, eh? Islam calls these people Qareeb. Allah called them Qareeb. Allah calls them. وَإِيتَاءِ ذِي الْقُرْبَى. And be good to those who are near to you. This is a deep topic. In the second khutbah, we'll continue. This is the topic that that's why I was saying, a lot of our sheikhs talk about this. Every imam reads this verse on Fridays, huh? How many people live this? How many people live this? Enemies with brothers and sisters, enemies with uncles and aunties. We don't talk to them, we don't know them, grandparents, grandchildren. We have no connection. And Allah commands, let me not just say Islam. Allah commands that we keep that connection. So we'll continue in the second khutbah, inshallah.